How to turn on or off online status on Viber. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Viber is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the application, simply open it. And then you need to make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, head over to More at the bottom right corner. Inside your profile, move into Settings, and then head over to Privacy. Inside Privacy, you'll get to see tons of different options. The option of Share Online Status is available to you. Right now you can see the online status is enabled. In order to turn off, simply toggle off this option. And once it has been turned off, you won't be able to turn it again before 24 hours. Here also you can see it says, the settings can be changed once every 24 hours. We will notify you when you can change it. So just wait for 24 hours in order to turn it on again. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can turn on or off online status on Viber. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.